Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you eaten a healthy meal yet still felt bloated or tired afterward? That's not a food problem, that's a digestion problem. Your gut is not just a tube where food passes through. It is a living system that affects your energy, immunity, brain, and hormones. When your gut isn't working properly, nothing else works the way it should. Many people suffer without realizing where the problem begins. The good news is you don't need expensive supplements or extreme detox plans. Sometimes the most powerful change begins with what you drink. Today we're talking about a simple, natural drink that supports digestion and gut bacteria. But it only works when you use it the right way. Healing the gut isn't about doing more. It's about doing what your body already understands. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. When they are balanced, digestion is smooth and energy stays high. Stress, poor sleep, processed foods, antibiotics, and dehydration disturb this balance, which causes bloating, reflux, constipation, and fatigue. Gut bacteria feed on what you consume, including liquids. Ignoring what you drink means missing half the solution. The drink we're talking about is simple and gentle on the body. It starts with warm water, not cold. Cold drinks shock the digestive system and slow enzyme activity, while warm liquids relax the gut and support digestion. To the warm water, you add fresh lemon juice, not bottled, not artificial, fresh. Lemon supports stomach acid rather than weakening it. Low stomach acid is one of the most common digestive problems. When stomach acid is low, food ferments instead of digesting. This leads to gas, reflux, and bloating. Warm lemon water gently stimulates digestive enzymes, helping break food down properly. It also supports bile production for fat digestion. Low bile makes you feel heavy and bloated after meals. This drink helps good gut bacteria thrive while discouraging harmful microbes. It hydrates the intestinal lining. A dry gut is a slow gut. Proper hydration keeps digestion moving smoothly and helps prevent constipation. This is not a miracle solution, it is simple body physiology. Many people drink it ice cold, add sugar, or drink too much at the wrong time. Timing matters more than quantity. The best time is morning on an empty stomach. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before eating. This gently wakes up the digestive system. 1 cup is enough. More is not better. Consistency creates results. Small habits done daily matter most. You can add ginger for bloating and gas as it relaxes intestinal muscles. A pinch of sea salt may help constipation by supporting stomach acid and hydration. Turmeric with black pepper may reduce inflammation. These additions are optional. The base drink alone is powerful. Simplicity works best. This drink will not fix years of damage overnight, and it cannot replace a poor diet. Late night eating and processed foods slow healing. Gut health is a process. This drink creates the right environment for healing. That's where real change begins. As digestion improves, bloating reduces and bowel movements become more regular. Energy increases, cravings decrease, and mental clarity improves. Your body speaks quietly at first. Listen early. Your gut is the foundation of health. Digestion determines nutrient absorption. Supplements won't help if digestion is weak. The gut must work first. Healing doesn't need to be complicated. It can start with one habit, 1 warm cup, 1 natural ingredient, 1 consistent daily choice repeated every morning. Drink with intention, support your gut, and allow your body to do what it was designed to do, heal itself.